In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for prior art using Google's Prior Art Finder. In general, patents are supposed to be granted only to novel inventions, but it can be hard to know whether a patent is novel or not. So how do you search for evidence of earlier inventions? You could look at other patents, at journal articles, at books, at the web. But what search terms do you use? For instance, if you're searching for prior art on a patent about contrast agents for magnetic resonance imaging, do you search for the phrase contrast agents for magnetic resonance imaging? Do you search for both at the same time? Do you quote one or the other, or both? Do you search for the acronym MRI? And magnetic resonance imaging is also known as magnetic resonance tomography, or MRT. Do you search for that as well? Searching for all possible combinations of phrases is tough and tedious. And it's a problem that isn't unique to prior art searches, which is why Google shows search results that it thinks are relevant, even if they don't contain the precise string the user typed. That's how Google was able to show the right search results, even for spelling variants and misspellings. Now, Google's Prior Art Finder tailors Google search for the specific task of finding prior art. Here's how it works. What we'll do is we'll start with a generic Google search page. I'm in my browser's incognito mode, so Google doesn't know who I am. So first, let's identify the target patent grantor application. Let's say we're going to search for US Grant 8292219. And there's the patent we're looking for right there at the top. So here's the Google Patents page for that patent. We can read the entire text of the patent on this page, search for other patents by the inventor or the assignee. We can download a PDF. We can examine the drawings, and we can look for other patents in the same family. And if we click on this button right here, we can search for prior art. So this is the Prior Art Finder. On the left, we have 5 terms that Google has determined to be of particular relevance: aircraft landing gear, actuator, unlock actuator, landing gear strut, and unlocked conditions. These terms have already been fed into Google for searches throughout millions of patents, books, journal articles, and web pages, and the results are already available in these tabs at the top of the screen. Journal articles are here under the Scholar tab. Books are here. Patents are here. And hits from the web are here. And Google's guess at the 10 most relevant results are right here under the Top 10 tab. If you want to see more results from a particular area, like journal articles, you can scroll down to the bottom and click right there, and now we can see more results. The People tab lets you search in a different way by looking at articles, patents, and books written by the inventors of the target patent or by inventors of the patents cited by the target patent. Google's algorithms for determining the relevant search terms won't always be perfect, and you can customize them by checking or unchecking individual terms or by entering your own. Every change you make alters the search results in real time. Let's get rid of unlocked conditions because that doesn't sound like a very good phrase. Let's add in two-way actuator, and once again the results change. And let's also type in our own phrase, say position sensor. Hit return, and the results change again. When you click on the results, the Prior Art Finder opens up a new window displaying you the content. By default, Google will search for results prior to the filing date of the patent application, but you can change this as well using the box right here. This patent application was filed on February 24th, 2012, but if we wanted to search for prior art before February 24th, 2011, it's as simple as making a little change right there. On the right, the Show Claims button lets you view the patent claims without having to go back to the Google Patents page. Finally, Google has an Export button that generates a CSV file of the search results in the current tab, so you can take these results and import them into a spreadsheet or any other tool you like. So that's Google's Prior Art Finder. Prior art search is really challenging, and we still have a lot of improvements yet to make, so stay tuned for an even better search experience in the future.